Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to head to a shitty little town called Romsey. Romsey is a historic market town located in Hampshire, and to be honest, it's fucking boring. The only thing to do here is look at old people and drink coffee. Nah, I'm only joking. There is the Romsey Abbey as well, which is a stunning Norman church dating back to the 10th century. It is one of the largest parish churches in England, with Norman and early Gothic architectural elements. To be honest, the town centre's a bit shit. There's not a lot to do, but there are some cute little walks through the town. We also have King John's House, a historic building which dates back to the 13th century and now serves as a museum and tea room. Anyway, I'll see you next time on what I hope will be a better adventure than today.